New Perplexity update is insane. GPT 5.2 just dropped for pro users. This is crazy. Your searches just got 10x smarter. Let's go. And this changes everything about how you search and research with AI. I'm talking about the most advanced OpenAI model ever, and it's now inside Perplexity. For everyone with a pro account, this isn't some small update. This is a GPT 5.2 is built for reasoning, it's built for accuracy, and it's built to give you answers that actually make sense. No more weird responses, no more made-up facts, just clean, smart answers that help you get things done. And here's the thing, most people have no idea this even happened. They're still using the old models. They're still getting basic answers, while you're about to learn how to tap into the most powerful AI research tool on the planet right now. So let me break down exactly what this means for you, what GPT 5.2 actually does, and how you can start using it today to get better results in everything you do. Whether you're a student, a creator, or you're running a business, this matters. This is a completely different level of AI. OpenAI built this model to handle multi-step reasoning. That means it can think through complex problems, it can connect ideas, and it can give you structured answers that don't fall apart halfway through. Previous models would give you surface level stuff, or they'd start making things up when the question got hard. GPT 5.2 fixes that. It reduces hallucinations. That's when AI makes up fake information, and it strengthens the logic behind every answer. So when you ask a tough question, you get a real answer, not guesses. Now let's talk about what this means inside Perplexity specifically, because Perplexity isn't just a chatbot, it's a research engine. It searches the web, it pulls in sources, and now with GPT 5.2, it processes all that information with way more power. If you're on Perplexity Pro or Max, you already get better citation depth, you get advanced search modes, you get access to multiple AI models, but now you're pairing all of that with the best reasoning model OpenAI has ever made. That's a huge upgrade. This means you can ask deeper questions, you can get responses that are backed by stronger logic, and you can trust the output more, because it's not just searching, it's thinking. And that's the whole point. You want an AI tool that doesn't just give you data, you want one that helps you understand it. And here's where it gets interesting. In the bigger AI world, this is part of the arms race. You've got Google with Gemini, you've got Anthropic with their models. Everyone's competing to build the most reliable AI, the one that solves real problems instead of just sounding smart. GPT 5.2 is OpenAI's answer to that. It's focused on reliability, it's focused on speed, and it's focused on giving you answers you can actually use, not flashy features, just solid performance when it counts. So how do you actually use this thing? It's simple. Log into your Perplexity Pro or Max account. When you go to type a question, you'll see a model selector. Click that, pick GPT 5.2, then type your question like you normally would. Let me show you some prompts you can test this with right now. These are everyday use cases, things you'd actually ask, and they'll show you exactly how much better GPT 5.2 performs compared to older models. First prompt, build a simple weekly meal plan for someone who wants to cook healthy dinners in under 30 minutes. Watch how GPT 5.2 structures this. It'll think about variety, it'll think about prep time, it'll give you a plan that actually works, not just a random list of recipes. What makes this special is how it reasons through the whole week. It balances proteins, it mixes up vegetables, it makes sure you're not eating the same thing 3 days in a row. And it keeps everything under 30 minutes. Because it understands the constraint. That's real planning. That's what reasoning looks like in action. Second prompt, explain how photosynthesis works in simple terms. This tests whether the AI can take a complex scientific concept and break it down without losing accuracy. GPT 5.2 nails this. It gives you the explanation in steps. It uses simple language, and it makes sure you understand the whole process. The old models would either go too basic or dump too much science on you. GPT 5.2 finds the middle. It explains the sun's energy. It explains how plants use that energy. It connects each step so you see the full picture, and it does it without making you feel stupid or lost. That's the difference between just answering and actually teaching. Third prompt, create an efficient study schedule for learning a new language in 3 months, including practice ideas. This is multi-step planning. GPT 5.2 will map out the weeks. It will balance different types of practice, and it'll give you a realistic plan that you can follow. Here's what's impressive. It doesn't just say practice every day. It breaks down what to practice when. Week 1 focuses on basics. Week 6 adds conversation. Week 10 brings in real-world content. It builds on itself, and it gives you specific activities for each phase. That's how you know the AI is thinking long-term, not just giving you generic advice. And the last one, generate a clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript web page that shows a notes list where I can add items. This tests technical ability and structure. GPT 5.2 will write clean code, it'll organize it properly, and it will actually work when you use it. The code it gives you isn't messy, it's structured. The HTML is semantic, the CSS is organized, the JavaScript handles events cleanly, and when you paste it into a file and open it, it works, no bugs, no missing pieces. That's because GPT 5.2 understands the relationships between the three languages. It's not just writing code, it's architecting a solution. Try these prompts yourself. Compare them to what you'd get from other models. You'll see the difference immediately. It's not subtle, it's obvious now. Here's what I recommend. Don't just stick to one model inside Perplexity, switch between them, test the same question on different models, see which one gives you the best answer for different types of tasks, because sometimes you need speed, sometimes you need depth, and now you have options. Use GPT 5.2 when you need depth, when you need reasoning, when you need clarity. Use it for research, use it for planning, use it for anything where the logic matters. That's where it shines. That's where you'll get the most value. This is perfect for students who need to understand complex topics fast. It's perfect for creators who need to plan content or organize ideas. And it's perfect for anyone running a business who needs to think through strategy or solve problems. GPT 5.2 handles all of it. Here's the bottom line. Perplexity just became one of the most powerful AI research tools available. With GPT 5.2 rolling out to Pro and Max users, you're not just getting better answers, you're getting better thinking, and that's what matters. The people who adapt fast win. The people who learn these tools first get the advantage, and right now, you're ahead of most people just by watching this video. So go use it, test those prompts, see what GPT 5.2 can do, and then push it further.